Hi, welcome to the UNtoxin channel. I am so excited you're here. I'm actually really honored that you took the time to even watch this video. My goal is that this channel will help educate and empower you on how to up-level your health physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Now, I talk a lot about cancer because that's a big part of our story, and actually what really propelled me into creating content and serving people just like you and your family. My son was diagnosed with cancer at the age of almost 3 years old, and he went through 3.5 years of conventional treatment with chemotherapy every single day. But he thrived because what we did is we focused on nutrition, detoxification, cleaning up his environment, his mental and emotional health. And I teach you all about what we learned walking through cancer with our son. And now I have helped thousands of others thrive through their cancer diagnosis. Now you may not have cancer, but I promise the information you are going to learn in this channel will help you create an environment that cancer cannot survive in. You'll find below this video different ways that I can help you. I can work with you. I have programs, meal plans, all the ways that can support your goal in educating and empowering yourself on improving your health.